sun rising from the park, children laughing barefoot, ancient drum in every heart. Babylon talking big words, but truth walking simple clothes. Lion wisdom in the silence where the healing river flows. Break these chains from my body, from my mind. Lift me up, leave the sorrow far behind. One people, one spirit, one bloodline. Break these chains, let our hearts move in time. Elder hum a soft chant, story written in his eyes. Sister plaiting hope strands, turning pain to lullaby. Concrete try to hide roots, still they crack and push through stone. We remember each other and we find our way back home. Break these chains from my body, from my mind. Lift me up, leave the sorrow far behind. One people, one spirit, one bloodline. Break these chains, let our hearts move in time. Who you call a stranger when the breath in us is sane? Every border just a shadow, every name just another name. So I step in quiet courage with my brother hand in hand. Hey, until every shackle rusting, turning back into the sand. Break these chains from my body, from my mind. Lift me up, leave the sorrow far behind. One people, one spirit, one bloodline. Break these chains, let our hearts move in time. Freedom in the soft rain, unity in every face. We are roots, we are branches, we are love, we are grace. Lion heart, slow breath, sunrise over. What's left? Bare feet on the red earth, drum beat in my chest from birth. the crown so tall, carrying the prayer for all. Laugh lines round a tired eye, still shining like stars, cutting through the lies. We don't bow to the Babylon story, we rise slow, clad in glory. Link hands, feel the power grow, where the river of faith start to overflow. We breaking all these chains, roots run deeper than pain. Freedom in we veins, fire in we veins. One love, one sound, one name. Lift up every heart the same. Unity again, again and again. Hey! From the gutter to the goal, every youth, every elder soul, same breath, same holy spark, same light in the deepest door. We breaking all these chains, roots run deeper than pain. Freedom in we veins, fire in we veins. One love, one sound, one name. Lift up every heart the same. Unity again, again and again. Morning sun on the zinc rooftop, steam rising from a cracked old pot. Little youths running barefoot, laughing. Still we feel every chain we dragging. We breaking every chain, every link, every pain. From Kingston town to the mountain plain. One heart, one flame. Freedom in we veins, singing out the name. Love higher than the system claim. One heart, one flame. See them walls built on fear and profit, but the truth always move right through it. Rasta said, leave your spite behind you. Open eye, let the light remind you. We breaking every chain, every doubt, every shame. From gutter side to the golden lane. One heart, one flame. Freedom in we veins, calling out the same. Unity, we not play that game. One heart, one flame. Who you be when the mob stop talking? Will you stand when the crowd start walking? Lion heart in the silent breathing. Justice start where the love start healing. We breaking every chain, every link, every pain. From shoreline sun to the chant, love over distress. We are the ones who will break these chains, hand in hand through the fire and rain. One heart, one song, let the whole world hear. Freedom is a family, we hold it near. We are the ones who will break these chains, pull them apart with the joy, not pain. One love, one light in the atmosphere. Unity, a river flowing clear. Oh yeah. Locked mind is a deeper jail. Small lies like a rusted nail. Truth come like a morning breeze. Wash fear, sweep the soul at ease. Who divide we? Dust in the wind. Who confine we? Crack in the tin. Lion inside wakes with a roar. Chains on the ground, we not wear them no more. Hey! We are the ones who will break these chains, hand in hand through the fire and rain. One heart, one song, let the whole world hear. Freedom is a family, we hold it near. We are the ones who will break these chains, pull them apart with the joy, not pain. One love, one light in the atmosphere. Unity, a river flowing clear. One heart, one aim, one destiny. Chain break, freedom, set the people free. Bare feet in the red, red soil. Sunrise on my father's land. Grandma said, boy, keep your heart loyal to the love that guides your hand. See them tower made of money. See them papers right, we fake. But my spirit old and any boundary I was never born to wait. Chains fall down, every shackle in my mind hit the ground. I and I rise up in a one sound. Freedom in we bones, hear it now. Chains fall down, from the ghetto to the hills all around. Hand in hand we circle this town. Unity, a fire burning loud. One bread we a tear and share it. One cup pass it all around. Different tongue but the same one spirit in the heartbeat. Same strong sound. Who you be when the gold stops shining? Who you be when the mask fall off? Come sit down, let we talk about time and love again. That's the heavy stuff. Chains fall down, every shackle in my mind hit the ground. I and I rise up in a one sound. Freedom in we bones, hear it now. Chains fall down, from the ghetto you see your own. River runs stronger when every drop find home. We break these chains with love. We break these chains with love. Hey, freedom, freedom, rise above. Come gather as one. We break these chains with love. We break these chains with love. Unity under the sun, till every chain come undone. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Oh, oh, oh. One sound. Bare feet in the red earth. Sunrise on my skin. Still feeling every burden from the place we've been. But the drums they keep moving, hearts say stand tall. When we walk together, iron chains fall. Chains turn to morning when we rise as one. Every hand together like a rising sun. Unity stronger than the wall they build. Freedom in the silence when the mind stays still. Yeah. Freedom. Chains turn to morning when we rise as one. Oh, old scars on the elder, stories in their eyes, teach about the journey and the hidden lies. But the chant get louder in the lion's den. Love break every border, make us whole again. Chains turn to morning when we rise as one. Every hand together like a rising sun. Unity stronger than the wall they build. Freedom in the silence when the mind stays still. Yeah, freedom. Chains turn to morning when we rise as one. Oh, who you call your brother? Who you call saying that they can't. Rust in the morning light. Still we chant through the struggle. Still we rise through the night. From the cave to the concrete. Same cry, same flame. Call the children together. Teach them a different name. Roots of the same fire. Freedom in every vein. We are one people. Snapping these old chains. Hands to the heavens. Feet in the holy ground. Unity forever. No one can hold me down. Oh yeah. See the line they've been drawing right through the neighbor's yard. Tell you that one is stranger, make a simple heart turn hard. But the river don't listen, flow where it choose to roam. When we build across waters, every shoreline feel like home. Roots of the same fire, freedom in every vein. We are one people, snapping these old chains. Hands to the heavens, feet in the holy ground. Unity forever, no one can hold we down. Who divide we? Who define we? Dust and breath, all the same. When you suffer, I am bleeding. Different face, but one pain. So we chant down every border, every wall in the mind. Till the warrior in your mirror learn to be gentle and kind. Hey! Roots of the same fire, freedom in ancient songs and the children's laughter. Lion hearts start to awake. We've been walking through long tribulation, still we carry this little flame. Every step, every small vibration, write a new page, change the game. We're gonna break these chains, my people, break these chains tonight. From the roots to the crown, rise equal, hold on to the living light. Freedom in the heart, in the mind, one love circle, all aligned. We're gonna break these chains, my people, break these chains tonight. Oh yeah. See your face in my brother's struggle, see my own and my sister's tears. If your pain is a part of my story, unity can erase the fear. Plant that seed in the concrete corner, watch it push through stone and steel. Every drum is a call to remember what they cannot buy or steal. We gonna break these chains, my people, break these chains tonight. From the roots to the crown, rise equal, hold on to the living light. Freedom in the heart, in the mind, one love circle, all aligned. We gonna break these chains, my people, break these chains tonight. Hey! Hands up high, let the breeze pass through. Ancient words on a young man's tongue. Every elder, every little youth, different verse of the same old song. No more borders inside my spirit, no more wars in the sacred